Hey guys, this is Goblin Valley State Park in southern Utah. Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name's Hawken. I make all sorts of videos in the outdoors, specifically mainly in Utah since that's where I'm based. And I have an exciting video for you today. I am not quite there yet, but I am near Goblin Valley. This weekend I'm planning on going to Goblin Valley State Park. It is one of Utah's probably most famous state parks. Sand Hollow and Bear Lake might be up there too, but I am really excited. There's some really unique rock formations you can climb and just explore all over the park. I'm hoping to get some really good pictures and maybe even some drone shots too. But today is Friday. I just got here after driving down from Salt Lake after work. I have to set up my car camping setup here, and then I want to get the drone up in the air. And that's the campsite all set up for tonight. I'm gonna fly the drone a little bit now, and then I need to organize all my stuff for tomorrow because I kind of just threw everything in here so I could just get out and go. Not a bad camping spot, huh? Well, I had my fun with my drone, now I'm hungry, so I'm gonna get some dinner started right now. All right, let's see. Oh, okay. Oh, the noodles actually got pretty cooked. I'm like scared to get this everywhere on the ground. I don't want to attract animals, have them eating the wrong thing. Looking pretty good. A couple additions, a little packet of chicken and a spicy buffalo thing from McDonald's. I'm gonna add these in too, so this will be good. Camping buffalo chicken mac. Definitely the poor man's version, but let's give it a try. Okay, the hot sauce is definitely a little overpowering, but it's pretty good, honestly. Well, it's getting dark out now. I want to do a little reading, then I'm going to head to bed early because I want to get up really early tomorrow morning so I can spend the whole day at the park. I will see you guys in the morning. Good morning. It's probably just before 7 o'clock and we are ready to go. I'm all packed up. Let's head to the park. So here we are, just starting the hike. It's not really a hike. You can just explore the whole valley and just walk really wherever you want, which is pretty cool. And you're allowed to climb these rocks too, but you definitely want to be careful not to break anything. Try and keep the wildlife as is, but I've never been to a park where you can just roam like this. This is sweet. Anyways, there's 3 valleys here in Goblin Valley. I'm in Valley 1 right now, which is the one closest to the parking lot, which is behind me. I've heard that Valley 3 is the best. All of these hoodoos and rock formations get more densely packed, so I'm going to be heading all the way to the back, and I'm just going to explore all day. I'll probably explore all the valleys, but the goal is Valley 3, so let's go. Well, in classic fashion, when I don't have directions, I went the wrong way. So I actually ended up over by Goblin's Lair above it, where you can rappel down into it, which is pretty cool. It requires a permit and probably way more skill at rappelling than I have, because I've never done it. We're supposed to be heading that way, actually, instead of coming up into the rocks here. I thought you had to go through this area, but that's okay. I got to explore a little bit more. We're going to head to Valley 3 next. I think I made it to Valley 2 now. The hoodoos are much closer together over here. I think Valley 3 is a little bit more this way, but exploring this part right now too. So, this is a goblin, thus the name Goblin Valley. This place is just filled with all these unique rock formations. Now, if you're like me, you're probably wondering how the heck this happens. Well, according to the guide I got, there's many different layers here of types of rock, and it happened like millions and millions of years ago. So this here is much softer than this top part. So this will erode away much faster, giving it that shape where it comes out on top. Pretty unique, honestly, and sweet. And yeah, that's how we're left with hundreds of these all over here, making this such a unique place to visit. Look like an elephant. And look, it's got 2 ears and a trunk. What the heck? Made it to Valley 3 finally after hiking a few miles, and it looks pretty sweet. Let's check it out. And that's Valley 3 of Goblin Valley. Honestly, that's about I think all I'm going to do in the park today. I'm thinking about maybe doing a hike when I get back, but I came here to see all these goblins and I got what I came for, so I might take off after this. We'll see when I get back to the car, but for now we got the hike back to the parking lot. Almost back. You can see the parking lot way over there. But a few thoughts on Goblin Valley while I walk. beautiful park. I probably wouldn't come here in the dead of summer because I'd imagine it's gonna be pretty hot. It's kind of warm today. I think it's probably like high 70s, maybe 80s. And yeah, I wouldn't want to be here when it's like 90, 100. Be more miserable. Second thought, you could definitely do Goblin Valley in just one day. You could explore all of the valleys that you want to see and check out all the goblins and the rock formations. And then you could do a hike if you really wanted to as well. There's not much reason I think that I would want to do 2 days here unless you want to do every single hike. So take that as you will. Well, I'm wrapping up my hike here then, and I'm gonna head back to Salt Lake. So thank you as always for coming along on my videos. I really appreciate it. Subscribe if you want to see more. I'm gonna be doing all sorts of adventures in Utah this summer, so you definitely don't want to miss out on that. If you have any questions about Goblin Valley or anything I did on this trip, leave them in the comments. I'd be happy to try and answer them. But see you guys next time.